Hi guys, Jennifer Scrapping Cane here. Today I'm sharing a new type of layout for me. This is from Jolie's mixed media kit for February. And today I will be using a photo of my mom, which is the only baby photo that exists of her. She was born in December of 1949, so the photo was taken in 1950. And this here is a water transfer that all you do is place it in water and then you transfer it on, kind of like a rub-on, but you didn't have to rub it. You just wet it with water and it transferred to the canvas very easily, actually. I had never used something like that before, so that was really fun to play with. This here is a canvas that is included in the kit, and there's two of them. I'm only going to be using one of them today, and then there's a stencil and also a chipboard little frame that's included in the kit. The chipboard is all made in-house by Jolie's, so there is some pieces sometimes that you need to pop out. This one here, I already did that. So that's a cute little frame. I'm not going to be using that on the canvas either. I will be using that on another project or layout. This here is the stencil. I don't use this also. I do use the acrylic paint, which is a cream. And this here is like a sandstone paste. It's kind of gritty, kind of cool. This one here is like a gray sandstone paste. And then I have the canvas already complete with the water transfer on it. The one thing I won't be doing is using a photo of somebody I don't know. So I chose to use the photo of my mom. It actually matches really well, and I love the way that it turns out. So I have placed her photo down, but I haven't glued it down. I'm just still playing with how I'm going to put it down. I kept forgetting with the transfers that when you flip them over, that's how it actually transfers in the end. So it was kind of confusing of where it was going to end up when I placed it down. So you leave the white part on and you take the clear piece off the top of it and then you wet it. So you don't really get to see what you're putting down, so you have to kind of guess. So that's why you cut it pretty close to what you want it to look like and then place it down. So here it is, completely complete. Again, I wasn't really sure how it was going to turn out, so I didn't film it. And unfortunately, my camera kind of washes it out, but I really wanted to show you guys and explain how I made it, because it's something completely new to me and something I just played with just this month. But I used part of the black frames around the corners of the layout where I knew I was going to put the roses down. And then I painted all around with the white acrylic paint. And I inked the edge of the photo with black ink. And then I placed the photo down. Then I placed the rub-ons on top of the photo and on top of the canvas in the corners. I added the 1950 at the top and a sticker that's a leaf. And that's just from my stash. That's not included in the kit. And the sequins are also not included in the kit. The lace at the bottom, I cut part of the lace off at the very bottom of it just to make it a little bit shorter. And then I added thickers, chipboard thickers that say Darlene, which is her name. And I added the sticker film strips, which are also from my stash. They're not included in the kit, but they were a perfect touch to this type of layout, this canvas. And then on the edges, you can see in the close-ups, I used a little bit of the paste around the edge, and that was just to give it a finishing touch around the edge. This is something new for me and hopefully for you guys too. Check out the kits at Jolie's Kits Club. The description box has all the links that you need, and come back and see me. Bye!